Welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you... Hi, it's Caroline. Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rack off the cider into a pressure barrel and some bottles. And we're going to announce the winner of a gallon of cider. So in the last video, which was about 16 days ago, I put the cider on. There is a part 1 on the channel. The instructions said that the fermentation process would probably take place within 4 to 8 days. And every time I thought, oh, I must get that cider onto the next stage, the airlock bubbled. So I've left it. So that was, I've left it about another 8 days. I've checked the specific gravity over the last couple of days and it's 1. So it's ready to go to the next stage, which is the priming stage. The equipment I'll be using is a sterilised pressure barrel and bottles. Now normally I would use one or the other, but obviously because we've got a competition running, I'm going to obviously bottle some of it off. You'll also need your spoon, siphon, and actually there's 60 grams of brewing sugar in here which I've dissolved into some warm water. So this will obviously help with the priming stage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to siphon the cider into the pressure barrel. I'm going to mix in the sugar. And then obviously we're going to siphon some into the bottles. So we'll get on to that stage. I've transferred the cider from the fermentation bucket into Bertie beer barrel, and I'm going to add the brewing sugar and give it a good stir. Giving it a good stir, and I'm going to transfer the cider into 6 of the sterilised bottles, as I said before, just for the purpose of running the competition. So I'm just going to use the tap to fill them up. When I'm brewing beer or cider, I do like to keep it in the pressure barrels. I have in the past, bottled them. It's just a faff, really. You've got to sterilise a lot of bottles, and in each one you have to put a teaspoon of sugar as well. So that's just my preference. Obviously, if you've got lots of bottles, you can do it that way. So I'm going to put the lid on now, keep that on tight. And then this is going to sit for about 4 days in a warm area but out of direct sunlight. The same with the bottles. And then I'm going to transfer it under the stairs because that's our coolest place for about a week. So basically what we want is for this liquid to clear. So obviously, there'll be a little bit of sediment and that will settle in the bottom. So once that's clear, which will take about a week, then it'll be ready to drink. As always, if you want to leave it a bit longer, always tastes better a bit longer. So I'm going to keep a bottle for myself. I'll come back, actually, we might do a taste video at last. So you can see a bottle clear and you can see me having a drink again. So now we need to reveal the winner. And the winner is... Hey, Caroline Simcock, you are the proud owner of a gallon of cider. So that's fantastic. So what I'll do, Caroline, is I'll wait for the cider to clear. Then I know that I'm happy with it. And then that will be on its way to you, hopefully within a week or 2. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to rack off the Vineco Shiraz, and we'll be picking a winner for that as well. So see you on the next video. Cheers!